the green coffee bean is a natural active compound called chlorogenic acid. It works by inhibiting the release of glucose into the body, while at the same time burning fat in the liver. These two mechanisms work together to inhibit the absorption of fat and eliminate weight gain. Bean is not a stimulant, and it doesn't make you all jittery or raise your heart rate like roasted coffee or ephedra. In fact, the green coffee bean actually helps lower blood pressure while still boosting the metabolism. The most recent study showed a group of 16 adults that took green coffee bean for only about 12 weeks. Well, over the course of the study, the subjects lost an average of 17 pounds each. There were no side effects reported. This is very exciting, and one reason why I think that green... Learn more about pure green coffee bean extract or sign up for your free bottle today. Click on the link below.